Hello, good evening everyone. Bakit ayaw lumabas ng ating live? Okay, ito. Oh, would not muna eh. Ay, nako. Anak ng... Bakit hindi ma-post? Bro, nagklase ko, bray. Uy, bray. Good evening everyone. Pa-share po ng ating live. Check mo na yung audio. If maingay ba. Hello, hello. Hello, hello. Hello, hello. Good evening. Boring, okay. Hello, nag-cancer TL1. Good evening, everyone, and welcome to our second session for our professional education review for the upcoming licensure examination for teachers this coming September 2026. Okay, so unfortunately, Facebook parang nireport ata tayo ng spam, no? Hindi ko ma-share yung live. Kaya please, sa ating viewers, please do share our live para marami tayong mabless at matulungan na magti-take ng licensure examination for teachers this coming September 2026. Okay? So, announcement lang. So, meron tayong promo. So, the first 150 enrollees. So, instead na 400 pesos, magiging 150 pesos na lang. Okay? So, sa ating review, meron tayong exclusive group chats and group page, no? And then, monthly mockboard exam. So, only takes yung ating monthly mockboard exam through the Google Forms. Okay? And then, meron din tayong mga drills sa ating exclusive group chats. Okay? And then, okay, so advance congratulations nga pala sa ating mga March 2026 licensure examination for teachers takers, no? Parang ngayong May 15 pa yata lalabas yung ating result. Okay? Okay. So, let's start. Okay. So, number 11. Okay, by the way, nag-post ako kahapon na ating i-review ngayon is the majorship, the TLE and the TVTE majorship. So, I decided na tapusin muna natin itong Profed, okay? Okay. Okay lang ba yung boses ko? Paki-comment if audible na ba ako. Okay, number 11. Which is the best example of learner-centered teaching? A. Teacher lectures the whole period. B. Students actively participate in activities. Letter C. Teacher dictates all answers. Or letter D. Students memorize definitions only. What is your answer for number 11? Learner-centered teaching. Ano yung learner-centered? Meaning, nakasentro yung learning sa isang bata. Learning independently, no? Sa learner-centered teaching, si teacher ay nagiging facilitator. So, spoon feeding is not part of the learner-centered teaching or student-centered teaching. Okay? So, teacher lectures the whole period. So, si teacher daw nagbahala. Siya nag-discuss sa whole period. So, this is not learner-centered. This is teacher-centered. So, this is not the answer. Letter C. Teacher dictates all answers. Nako, dictates all. Excuse me. Okay, sorry. So, teacher dictates all answers. No. Dapat merong anong tawag doon? Merong role si student sa ating learner-centered teaching. So, letter C is wrong. Letter D, students memorize definitions only. No. So, memorization is, anong tawag doon? Hindi ko masabi yung anong word. Basta dapat ang sagot natin dito is letter B. Students actively participate in activities. So, sa learner-centered teaching, dapat si students ay independent. Hindi siya nakadepende kay teacher lamang. Okay? Dapat marunong ang mga students. As a teacher, guide lang tayo, okay? Facilitator lang tayo. And then, tsaka lang tayo, lalapit sa students if for help only, no? Hindi dapat tayo yung mismong lahat, no? Hindi na dapat as a teacher sa 21st century skills, dapat si students is independent. Okay? Yan si learner-centered teaching. So the answer for number 11 is letter B. Number 12, the primary goal of special education is to A. Separate learners with disabilities. B. Focus only on disabilities. C. Reduce academic standards. Or letter D. Provide equal learning opportunities. Primary goal of special education. Anong sagot nyo dito sa number 12? Separate learners. Nako, hindi pwede. Inclusive. Okay? Technique in answering the professional education. Dapat ideal ka na teacher. Inclusive education. Dapat yun yung priority mo. Okay? Focus only on disabilities. Nako, hindi pwede. Only. Meaning, mayroong pinapaboran. Okay? Reduce academic standards. Nako, hindi naman pwede nating i-reduce academic standards. Standard nga dapat hindi tayo hindi tayo nasa below ng standards. Dapat nasa above the standards. Yes, the answer is letter D. Provide equal learning opportunities. Sa professional education, when you take the Profed, dapat ikaw teacher, mayroong equality in terms of treatment sa ating mga students, na? So equal. So the answer for number 12 is letter D. Number 13, which philosopher believed that education should develop reasoning? A. Plato. B. Rousseau. C. Dewey. Or letter D. Aristotle. What is your answer for number 13? What is your answer for number 13? If you wish to answer in our lectures, write the number, comment the number, and then your answer. Okay? Para malaman natin kung ano yung item na sinagutan ninyo. Okay, so hello sa ating 3 viewers. Please do share sa ating live, no? Reasoning. Kanino yung reasoning? Plato, ito yung sa idealism. Idealism. So, sa idealism, values, ideas, no? Mga values, mga norms, okay? So, letter A is wrong. Hindi si Plato. Si Rousseau naman is representing naturalism. So, Rousseau believes that education should follow the natural development of the child away from society's corrupting influence. So, this is not the answer. Okay, natira na lang tayo sa letter C, letter D. What is your answer? What is your answer? Si John Dewey, progressivism. So, learning by doing. So, this is not the answer. The answer for number 13 is letter D, Aristotle. Si Aristotle, known as the father of logic. Take note ha, baka lumabas ito sa ating Gen Ed. Father of logic. Aristotle is the father of logic. So, Aristotle, naniniwala si Aristotle na a rational animal and that education must cultivate the power of reasoning. So, si Aristotle. Okay, so the answer for number 13 is letter D. Number 14, what is the main role of education according to social reconstructionists? A. Preserve traditions only. B. Focus on memorization. C. Prepare students for social change. Letter D. Maintain teacher authority. What is your answer for number 14? Main role of education according to social reconstructionists. So, anong role ng education? So, preserving tradition, this is perennialism. Hindi reconstructionism. Perennialism. So, this is not the answer. Focus on memorization. Sa board exam, walang nagpo-promote ng memorization. Okay? So, automatic wrong. Lahat ng choices na mayroong memorization, focusing on memorization, mali. Dahil as a teacher, hindi natin pinopromote yung memorization. No? Walang learning. Sa professional education, ang pinopromote niyan is developing the critical thinking of the students. Okay? The 21st century skills. Yun. Maintain teacher authority. Or or letter C, prepare students for social change. So, the answer is letter C, prepare students for social change. So, meaning, sa education, ang role ng education is to change the society. So, prepare students for social change. The answer for number 14 is letter C. 15. Which classroom practice supports diversity? A. Using only one teaching strategy. B. Encouraging respect for differences. C. Ignoring cultural backgrounds. Or letter D. Avoiding group work. What is your answer? Diversity supports diversity. A classroom that is uh, uh, a classroom that supports diversity. Using one using only one teaching strategy, automatic wrong. One. Okay? Magkukos ito ng example. This strategy is very effective lamang for the fast learner students. So, anong mangyayari? Is maiiwan yung mga slow learners. So, the letter A is wrong. Okay, very good. Okay, thank you, ma'am. I chair I. Okay, may sumagot na letter B. Letter C, ignoring cultural backgrounds. No. As a teacher, ikaw dapat yung nagpropromote ng mga culture, no? Hindi dapat promote. Hindi promote. I mean, ang tawag doon? Respecting every culture. Yun yung dapat i-promote mo. So, dapat ignoring is hindi pwede. Avoiding group work. Nako, walang collaboration. Automatic wrong. The answer for number 15 is letter B. Encouraging respect for differences. So, a diverse classroom thrives when students learn to appreciate different perspectives and culture. Okay, baka tanungin kayo sa board exam. If ikaw, teacher, pinapunta sa remote areas, ano yung dapat mong unang gawin? What should you do first? If ikaw, teacher, pinapunta sa remote area or inassign sa remote area na eskwelahan. The first thing you need to do is, learn their culture. Okay? Learn their culture. Because once na ma-learn mo yung culture nila, when you say culture, the way of life, ang effects niyan is, you will be part sa area na yun. Mas madali mong ma-understand yung mga students sa area na yun. No? Dahil na-learn mo na yung culture nila. Okay? So, baka tanungin kayo ng board exam. Yun yung sagot, okay? The first thing you need to do is to learn their culture. The answer for number 15 is letter B. Number 16. Oh, very good. Very good, sir. Ay, tumpak. Number 16, a teacher uses rewards to increase positive behavior. This reflects A, constructivism, B, behaviorism, C, humanism, or letter D, existentialism. Merong reward. Merong reward. Ang sagot niyo dito, merong reward. Existentialism, merong freedom. Students, merong freedom. Yon yung clue word. Uy, napakagaling ni Chair. Ay, very good. So, letter D is wrong. Humanism, self-actualization. So, this is not the answer. So, final answer ay letter B. Very good. Correct. The answer for this question is letter B. See, constructivism focuses on how students internalize and build knowledge. Okay? So, letter A is wrong. See, behaviorism, founded by B.F. Skinner. B.F. Skinner. Okay? So, this theory uses reinforcement or doing rewards. Okay? So, through rewards, pwedeng anong tawag doon? Through rewards, pwedeng nakalimutan ko yung word. Through rewards, yung students is ma-develop or Mai-improve. Sorry, yun pala yung word. Mai-improve, okay? Mai-improve yung kanyang behavior. Okay? Ay, the answer for number... Sorry. Uy! yes. Sorry mo. Si behaviorism kanina dito sa letter B. Okay? The answer for number 16 is behaviorism. Number 17, which statement reflects the principle of inclusive education? Inclusive education na naman. A. Every learner has the right to quality education. B. Only academically gifted learners deserve attention. C. Learners with disabilities should stay home. Letter D. Uniform teaching fits all learners. What is your answer for number 17? What's your answer for number 17? Well, sa inclusive education, yung ikaw teacher, yung treatment of students is equal. Okay, despite their physical, their mental, equal yung treatment sa mga bata. Merong word na only academically gifted learners deserve attention. No. Anong mangyayari dyan if yung academically gifted learners yung pinapansin mo? Or nafo-focus ka lang sa mga ganyang students? Mangyayari dyan is mag-worse yung mga slow learners. Mapag-iwanan na yan. Letter C, learners with disabilities should stay at home. No. Very wrong. Letter D, uniform teaching fits all learners. Hindi pwede. Okay? Same na sila nito sa letter B. The answer is letter A. Every learner has the right to quality education. Kahit ano pa yung student ninyo, kahit mayroong problema sa physical, mental, every child has the right to quality education. Okay? Nasa batas yan. Okay, the answer for number 17 is letter A. Very good, sir. Very good. Uy. Okay, John Dewey. Progressivism. Okay? Plato. 3 R's. Excuse me. Physical world. Values physical world sa realism. Okay? Number 19. Which teacher behavior reflects democratic teaching? A. Punishing mistakes immediately. B. Imposing strict silence always. Letter C. Discouraging student opinions. Or letter D. Allowing students to participate in decisions. What is your answer for number 19? What's your answer for number 19? Democratic teaching. Meaning, sa isang classroom, merong rights, merong freedom, merong democracy. Punishing mistakes immediately? Hindi. Imposing strict silence always? Hindi pwede. Discouraging, ito, puro negative. Discouraging students' opinions. Nako. Hindi porket teacher ka na is hindi ka na nakikinig sa mga opinions ng inyong students. Remember, sa mga opinions ng isang students, meaning kumikilos yung brain nila. And dyan nagkaka-develop yung critical thinking. Okay? Sa klase yun. So the answer is letter D. Allowing students to participate in decisions. Okay? Anong dine-develop dito? Through this, pwede maka-develop yung decision making ng isang students. Okay? The answer for number 19 is letter D. Number 20, inclusive education benefits learners because it A. Promotes discrimination. Inclusive education naman. B. Encourages social interaction and acceptance. C. Removes classroom diversity. Or letter D. Limits communication skills. What is your answer for number 20? Very good, sir. Thank you for participating. What is your answer for number 20? Promotes discrimination. Hindi. Removes classroom diversity. Naku, hindi pwede. Limits communication skills. Parang tinanggalan mo ng rights yung students na for his or her opinion. So the answer is letter B. Encourages social interaction and acceptance. Okay? Inclusive Inclusive education. Okay, so that ends with our session for today. Thank you everyone sa mga nag-participate. I hope continue yung ganyang attitude. Mas maganda yung nagpa-participate kayo sa ating lecture para ma-boost yung confidence niyo when taking or when answering the questions in the board exam. Okay? Thank you and goodbye everyone.